In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Cyberghost VPN on your Windows computer, guiding you through each step in a straightforward manner. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Cyberghost VPN website. This is where all the magic begins, and if you're not sure of the address, a quick search for Cyberghost VPN will get you there. Once you're on their homepage, look for the My Account section, usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking here will prompt you to sign in. If you already have an account, fantastic. Simply enter your credentials and log in. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before proceeding. After logging in, navigate back to the Cyberghost home. This area serves as your central hub, where you can manage all your account settings and access downloads. From here, you need to locate and click on the Download Hub. This section houses all the available software applications that Cyberghost has to offer. Now in the Download Hub, your next move is to find the Desktop Apps section. This is crucial because we want to specifically download the version of Cyberghost that's compatible with Windows. Once you've accessed the Desktop Apps area, locate the option marked Windows and click it. This will initiate the download of the installer. It's a fairly small file, so it should only take a moment or two to complete, depending on your internet speed. Now, once the installer is downloaded, go ahead and double-click on the file to run it. A setup wizard will guide you through the installation process. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, which typically involve agreeing to some terms and conditions and choosing an installation path. In most cases, the defaults will work just fine. After a few moments, the installation will complete, and you'll have the Cyberghost VPN application shortcut ready on your desktop. At this point, you can open the Cyberghost application by double-clicking its icon. When it opens, you should see the login screen. Enter the same credentials you used on the website, and once logged in, you'll be greeted with the Cyberghost dashboard. From here, you can choose a server location, connect to the VPN, and begin enjoying a more secure and private browsing experience. If you run into any trouble during the installation or have questions about using Cyberghost, the website offers a wealth of resources and support options to help guide you. That wraps up our installation process. With Cyberghost installed, your Windows PC is now ready to connect to a secure and private network with just a click. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing!